Hi, I'm Sameem, a student at UMT School of Media and Communication Studies.
And honestly, this is not your typical media school. We just don't study communication. We create it, produce it, and launch careers with it.
From day one, I was working in real multimedia labs, cross-media practice, running live campaigns, operations in PCR, and building a portfolio that actually gets noticed. My teachers, they're not just academics. They're journalists, strategists, and creatives who've built the careers I want.
School of Media Communication and Studies offers endless opportunities. Digital media, journalism, AI content creation, PR, advertising, vertical film production, social media management. Voiceovers and hands-on broadcasting training through UMT Radio FM 98.2.
You graduate with a clear professional identity, a real body of work, and the confidence to back it up. So, forget generic degrees.
And come somewhere that actually prepares you for the media world as it is today.